How to kill bull ants. The bull ant, also known as a bulldog ant, is a stinging ant that lives predominantly in Australia. Similar in appearance to a wasp without wings, these inch-long ants can run and jump. Be cautious when trying to rid these insects from your property, as they will quickly jump, attack and sting multiple times anything they think is threatening their habitat. Things you will need: ant bait trap. Locate the nests. Usually a nest will be a large mound of dirt with a sizable hole at the top. A few bull ants will be standing guard. They have excellent vision, so stay far away. Do not disturb the nest and consider hiring a professional pest service to help get rid of these ants. Multiple stings from this type of ant can be fatal. Use nest baits instead of liquid pesticides that specifically list bull ants among the type of species it kills. Liquid pesticides work temporarily but decrease the success of nest baits in the future. An ant eats the bait, then takes some back to the queen. Baits with boric acid may take a couple of hours before the poison has any effect.